Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Wayfair how to change delivery date. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you needed to change the delivery date for your Wayfair order, first what you need to do is check if you can change the date or not. For standard shipping orders, the delivery date is based on the carrier, so you may need to contact them directly. Scheduled deliveries, larger items are reschedulable in your Wayfair account if it's eligible. Then, in order to change the delivery date, head over and open up your Wayfair app. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the account on the bottom of the options. Now once you're inside your account, make sure that you are logged in to your account as well. Then what you need to do is select view orders under my orders. Then if your item qualifies, you'll see an option to reschedule delivery. Then find your order, and if your item qualifies, you'll see an option to reschedule delivery. Then select the new available date and confirm the change. You'll get an email confirmation with the updated details. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.